Are you struggling to execute AJAX calls with PhantomJSDriver? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge, and today we're going to unravel the mystery behind it. I totally get how frustrating it can be when your code works perfectly in one environment but fails in another. It can feel like you're chasing your tail. You're definitely not the only one who has faced this issue. Here's the situation we're tackling today. A user reached out saying their AJAX call works fine with Chrome driver, but not with PhantomJSDriver. They are using Java Selenium to execute the script, but nothing happens when they click the link. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So, what could be going wrong here? PhantomJSDriver is a headless browser, which means it doesn't have a graphical user interface. This can lead to differences in how scripts are executed compared to a full browser like Chrome. Let's break it down. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a crucial tip that can help you troubleshoot similar issues in the future. To begin resolving the issue with PhantomJSDriver, the user should ensure that the PhantomJSDriver is properly set up in their project. This includes adding the necessary dependencies to their build configuration. Next, the user should configure the PhantomJSDriver to handle AJAX calls effectively. This can be done by setting the appropriate capabilities for the driver. After configuring the driver, the user should implement a wait mechanism to ensure that the AJAX call completes before proceeding. This can be done using WebDriver wait. Finally, the user should verify that the report is being downloaded to the expected location. This can be done by checking the default download directory after the AJAX call. Fun fact, did you know that PhantomJS was one of the first headless browsers? It paved the way for many modern testing tools we use today. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests checking a specific Stack Overflow link for guidance on downloading files using PhantomJS. The user recommends making an AJAX call to download and encode your file, then returning the content back. Here's that crucial tip I promised. Always test your scripts in multiple environments. This practice can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to execute AJAX calls with PhantomJSDriver successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.